Welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping straight into a complete, step-by-step blueprint for reverse engineering a highly successful, fully automated educational YouTube channel. And the best part? We're going to build this entire production process using 100% free AI tools. It's going to be a fun one, so let's get into it.
Okay, let's dive into this by looking at the pure financial potential of this model. The channel we're analyzing today as our primary case study is called Learn English with Fun. By following the exact automated content framework we're about to break down, a channel in this specific educational niche can generate up to $5,000 per month in revenue. Seriously, that is a very real, substantial income stream built entirely through smart, AI-assisted content creation.
And look, that revenue? It definitely isn't happening by accident. It is driven by massive global demand. Just look at this, 1.3 million views? That is the view count on just a single video from this channel, posted only 4 months ago. A massive chunk of this audience is tuning in from Europe and Asia, which absolutely proves there is a vast, hungry market for this exact type of content just waiting to be tapped into.
So here's our roadmap for today. 1. The profitable education niche. 2. Generating scripts with AI. 3. Creating your video assets. 4. Editing secrets in Canva. And 5. Thumbnails and viral distribution.
All right, let's start with section 1, the profitable education niche. So, what actually makes a channel like this so incredibly successful? Well, it's absolute simplicity. You might think that making thousands of dollars online requires some complex university-level curriculum, but it doesn't. They're literally just teaching incredibly basic, everyday English sentences. We're talking about micro-narratives like, I wake up at 6 o'clock, or I look in the mirror. While we constantly overthink our content, this channel proves that massive returns often come from providing the simplest possible value.
And here is exactly why this specific niche is practically bulletproof. If you spend any time looking at the comments on these videos, you'll see viewers constantly expressing how much this content genuinely helps them learn English. Because you are providing real, tangible educational value to your audience, the channel is completely safe from YouTube demonetization. Even though your workflow is automated, the value is completely real, and that is what keeps your monetization secure.
Moving on to section 2, generating scripts with AI.
This is where we move from theory into practice using tools like Claude or ChatGPT. Here's the exact step-by-step flow to prompt the AI. You don't just go in and ask for a generic script. First, you ask the AI to generate 10 distinct title ideas, and you select the absolute best one. For example, 25 daily home sentences. Second, based on that specific title, you prompt the AI to generate complete video prompts for each of those sentences. And third, and honestly this is absolutely crucial, you instruct the AI to make sure every single prompt includes a character description, a setting, and the specific conversation or action. You are essentially generating a highly detailed text-based storyboard.
Okay, section 3, creating your video assets. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that the tool we're using, flowai, actually gives you 2 distinct ways to generate these video clips. Method 1 is direct text to video, where you feed it the prompt and get a video back immediately. Method 2 is generating an image first and then turning that specific image into a video. Let's explore how both of these work so you can choose the workflow that fits you best.
For method 1, the direct text-to-video approach, speed is absolutely the name of the game. You log into flowai, select video mode, and choose your frame. You're going to want to set your aspect ratio to 9:16, that tall vertical format we see everywhere. Set your output quantity to 1 video and select the model called VO 3.1 Fast. Then you just paste in that full prompt your AI wrote for you earlier, like I wake up at 6 o'clock with the character and setting details, hit generate, and within moments, your simple sentence is brought to life.
But hey, if you want a little more control, method 2 is fantastic. Here, you generate the image first. You set your picture frame to 16:9, choose an output of 2 images, and select a model with a very serious, highly technical sounding name, Nano Banana Pro. Then, you paste in just the character and setting part of your prompt. flowai gives you 2 options, and you get to curate the exact visual you like best. Once you pick the winner, you just switch over to the video generator, paste in the action part of your prompt, and hit generate. Generating an image first essentially guarantees your visuals are perfect before you spend your valuable time animating them.
All right, section 4, editing secrets in Canva.
So the crucial point is how you actually layer all these elements together to create that signature professional look. First, you create a custom 1920 by 1080 canvas over in Canva. You upload your vertical video, resize it so it totally fills the screen, and push it to the back layer. But here is the genius trick. You add a simple square shape element to the corner of the screen to hold your text. Then, using Canva's color picker tool, you hover over the video and match the color of that square exactly to the background of your video, like maybe the color of a wall in the background of the scene. It creates a seamless professional graphic overlay instantly.
Over that perfectly color-matched square, you reintroduce our micro-narrative. So let's say your next clip is simply, I wash my face every morning. You just pick a text template you like in Canva, type in your topic, and add the dialogue as text right on top of that square box. You can even add simple animations to the text if you want, though it's totally optional. After that, you just duplicate this page setup for every single clip, update the text, and suddenly, literally like a magic trick, you have a cohesive, fully edited educational video that's completely ready to export in 1080p MP4 format.
And finally, Section 5, Thumbnails and Viral Distribution.
You can have the best educational video in the entire world, but if the packaging isn't right, the algorithm simply won't push it. And this brilliantly illustrates how you can hack the design process using AI. You do not need to be a graphic designer for this. Just go to a successful channel like Learn English with Fun and take a screenshot of a thumbnail style that is clearly already working. Upload that screenshot directly into ChatGPT's image creator, tell it to set the ratio to widescreen 16:9, and simply prompt it to create a thumbnail with this exact style, substituting in your own custom text and characters. It reverse engineers a winning layout for you in seconds.
To really solidify what we've just learned, think of this entire process as your very own modern digital assembly line. And get this. Every single piece of it is completely free. For scripting, we have Claude or ChatGPT. For video generation, flowai. Editing and subtitles happen in Canva. And thumbnail creation goes right back to ChatGPT. These tools interconnect perfectly to create a really high-value product.
But listen, the strategy doesn't end the second you hit export. The golden rule here is upload everywhere for maximum virality. Please, do not just post this to YouTube. These simple, vertical-friendly clips, combined with widescreen layouts, can easily be chopped up and posted across multiple social media platforms. Remember, virality is what unlocks audience growth, which in turn unlocks product sales, sponsorships, and ad monetization.
Well, there you have it. We have just walked through a complete A to Z blueprint for building a highly profitable educational channel, and we didn't spend a single dime on software to do it. The demand out there is global, the tools are completely free, and the workflow is completely mapped out for you. We are literally living in a time where a machine can build the classroom, but you still get to be the principal. So I'll leave you with this. What everyday subject will you teach to the world using this exact AI blueprint?